We have some tips for you today so that you can spray safely in your garden this year. A good tip is to spray just where you mean to spray and not any of the ornamentals. And also walk backwards so that you're not walking through the area that you've just put down the spray. Also, make sure that you spray on a day with low wind and that rain is not in the forecast.
It's also while you're spraying, you want to be safe. You want to make sure you wear some protective eyewear. Wear some rubber gloves to keep it off your hands, and also wear a mask so you're not inhaling any fumes or anything that might be airborne. And then when you're all done, make sure you dispose of those properly, and then clean your hands and clean your clothes so you don't contaminate anything else.
It also is good to label your sprayer tank. We've labeled this for weed killer only, so that you only want to use the sprayer tank for weed killer and not any other kind of spray.
So we hope these tips help you become more successful in your spraying.